Here's the other end of the double-ended driveway. It kind of sweeps around the house. This is the Ohana unit, or the extra dwelling. 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom. Nice little place. Good for visitors, people coming to see you in Hawaii, and they won't get in your hair if they're staying in this little place here. Or you could maybe rent it out. Kind of a cute little place. And there's this side of the house with the carport underneath, which you can see. And the view is pretty nice out there through the trees, but still a nice view. Nice grounds. These are ohia trees that I'm looking at. They tend to they have really beautiful red blossoms on them certain times of the year. These are some pretty mature specimens here. They'll provide you a bit of shade when it gets a little warmer here, although at this elevation it's not too bad. That is, again, is the catchment tank. I'd say we're probably a couple thousand feet up. I'm not really sure on the elevation, but that would be my guess. I guess I'll walk up to the other deck on the house. Well, that's cute. They've got a tree cut into the deck. Makes it kind of nice. A little place to sit down next to the tree. It looks like a little window box for the kitchen. And the covered area to keep you out of the sun and the rain. Covered deck. This is a pretty nice place here. Not hardly any neighbors anywhere. Who knows how long it'll be before somebody builds, but it's kind of nice having the seclusion. And not one car has driven past while I have taken this movie. And again, there is a view of the ocean, a blue water view through the branches of the trees. It's a little easier to see with the human eye than it is with this little camera, but a nice view of the ocean. Beautiful clouds out there today.